You guys want a cold start? I'll give you a cold start. The compass is a piece of shit and it leaks out all the carb. Float stuck. Don't want to fuck with it. It's been sitting for 5 years. This is all my faithful spring cleanup favorite Craftsman. It's got a Briggs on it. I'll give you a cold start. Fire this bitch up, huh? And whose sexy vehicle's that? That's mine. Just filled her up all with gas. As you can tell, I have not plowed. This has been sitting for 6 months. We're gonna choke it. Prime for a good time. Turn her on. Rip some ass. Cold-blooded son of a bitch.
Making babies.
Craftsman.